way how you just express what you really want to say. Sometimes it's not aligned to the word that you want to get from the viewers. That's why for me, in this 1 minute video, it will take for me 4 hours, 3 hours. But in the process, I learn how to talk, how to express what I want, and to get what I want from the viewer, to share my knowledge and enlighten them how the life needs to be worked. It's not only for enjoyment, a short-term enjoyment. You will enjoy now, then pay later. It's like that, the scenario, right? Enjoy now, pay later. Pay later, like how much you pay for this enjoyment. Example, you will go in this specific place, right? You enjoy the pleasure and you enjoy some material thing. Then later on, you don't have money, end of the month. This one always said, one of the staff, he's always said that, I'm broke, I'm broke. Yeah, you're broke. But what are you doing? You not to make broke continuously. Nothing, right? If you're just...
That is all about mindset. See, I will tell you one thing. I know some people, okay, who pass away. Now they are not alive. And normally if you really ask me what kind of people they are, actually they have like not too much, but I think that is a surviving money. But in their mouth always don't have money. Always don't have money. In mouth always I don't have money. Don't have money. Not enough. Don't have money. Not enough. They pass away. They are not here anymore in this earth. When they said I don't have, never gonna be happen. They will not get more money. Finish. Everything finish. If they said I have problem, of course, everybody have problem. Now, that's why many times I said this word, again I repeatedly I want to say, don't see what you don't have. Look at yourself, what you have.
See first what you want.
Yeah.
You have to visualize what you
have
are.
Many things already.
Yeah, what you are in the future. Yeah. I like to share what I visualized in me in my future, really. With the house, with the kids.
Exactly.
मसँग पैसा छैन भने तपाईको दिमागमा त्यही हुन्छ, मेन्टालिटी के हुन्छ, तपाईको माइन्डसेट अलरेडी भइसक्यो हुन्छ, पैसा छैन म बिरामी भए अनि दैट इज द प्रब्लम के, त्यही भएर.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Really, but you know, I thought to suggest her, because we are very close and open-minded and everything. I thought to him, you know, sometimes if I think negative, that I cannot do it, I write. Really, nowadays, I master this kind of thought. If there's something running on my head, like, I cannot do it, any doubt for myself, I write. I write positive things. That this one is the things that I need. This one, the thing that I want. This one is the one that I will do. Because I want to divert the negativity that comes on my head to a positive things that because I told you, writing is really important thing. What you write, it will goes to your subconscious mind.
Exactly, yeah.
What goes to your head. Because if you want to revise, because our mind doesn't know anything.
Yeah.
What we think, that's the things that goes from our body. That's why if you're just thinking about negativity, you have to write. This one a good practice for us to divert the negativity, doubts from ourselves. Right? You have to think that you can do it. I can do it. Whatever it takes, I will do it. Sometimes there's a delay because we are not much ready. We're not much prepared because we don't set our mind right now. But sooner or later, if your path will be clear, your mindset will be focused on what you really want to achieve, you will be surprised. Things will goes to your plan. Things will follow. Everything will be just run behind you. Yeah, just little bit, of course, we have to pray. that He will guide us. That this is the right things to do, or maybe this one is the distraction for us. Of course, we at the same time, by the process, we have to connect with the God. God is the only way to us to guide us. If this is the right way, this is the wrong way. Okay? I'm very thankful to Mr. Sujan Sir how he introduced to the XM. First, the mindset. The mindset, it changed me. The product changed me from head to toe. The internal thing too. It's really helped me a lot. I'm not thinking this is pricey, this is expensive. No. I was thinking the benefits. I was just very happy with the benefits. Then second thing, the side hustle. I'm sharing it to others. Now, additional income for me. Thinking about additional income. It's about your mindset. How you just leverage what you had right now. One of the leaders, he said, so if someone gives you a car, and it's only a car, and you don't know how to drive it, if you don't want to starting it, you cannot go to your destination, right? The car is only the equipment, but it's up to you how you just start the engine and start the drop off. This is the way. Okay, DXN give you already the tools, and it's up to you how to leverage it. I always tell to him, I want to make a business, additional income. I want to do coffee jelly. Said, yeah, nice idea, because coffee. And then I just want to leverage it and I want to sell it. But the thing is, I don't have much time. Like coffee jelly and everything. You see, if you're just thinking out of the box how you just leverage the business, you can. You have the coffee. Make the iced coffee, right? Then sell it. Of course, we will not go to we will bargain it. No. We can post in social media. I told you. Social media is really important. Then some product, some toothpaste. How you just go to the supplier. Connect with the supplier. Can you do like this? Can we connect collaborating? It's up to you how you will deal with that one. You already have the tools. Leverage. Coffee machine. Collaboration. Right? If we were just thinking out of the box and our mindset will be changed, the idea goes direct from us. You see? It's about your mindset. Don't doubt. This is your idea. Right? Yeah. Don't doubt to yourself, because once you doubted, someone will do it. Right? Because there are billions of people. Sometimes it's same idea. But they are just share it. They are just leverage it. This one has idea. She have idea, the same thing. But how he do it? He implemented. Right? It's about implementation. So, I guess that's it. I have talks. Lots of talk and I enjoy it a lot. Yeah, I just want to share the lots of ideas running on my head. And I really enjoy it. Once, just study the compensation is much easy for us. And build our own system, internal systems. Talk to you!
If you have some question, ask the question. The question answer. Let's do question answer. In doubt, any question about the extent, about
very simple,
marketing
right?
plan.
Yeah. Very simple. The marketing plan, change the grocery, share the benefits, build the team, connect with the people. Very simple. But you have to choose. Because some of the people just a waste. They don't want the life. They want only the short-term pleasure, but they don't want the long-term pressure. Right? So we need to escape with this kind of thing. Less deep from the job. All you need to collaborating with the manager, different mentality, taking advantage for you. This one should be stopped from us. So the same cycle will not be repeated for our generation, for our kids. And we need to educate first ourselves, then we can educate others. Right? Back to you.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
Self-improvement is really important. And
Okay, question.
the
Any
process,
question?
you will love
If you
it.
have any questions, ask regard about DXN, about anything. I'm here to answer.
No, I don't have an answer. You have questions, sir?